Today is May 10th, 2024. We are making a video to show around my factory. Here we have one machine in function. It's a 5 ton per day capacity tube bias machine. Very beautiful eyes too. Okay, let's bring the camera and walk around. That is a 10 ton per day flake ice machine in function. Flake ice machine. This is a 5 ton per day tube ice machine equipped with air cooling condenser. The condenser is like this. 3 air cooling fans. And that is a 5 ton per day. Specifically designed to make the ice outlets in the middle of the machine. So the ice will fall down to the storage bin naturally. This is the 5 ton per day tube ice machine ready for delivery. And here we have a small capacity, 2 ton per day capacity tube ice machine. Cubic. Now let's go inside of my facility. And this is the area we assemble all the flake ice machines and the tube ice machine. Here we can see 8 set of a 2.5 ton per day capacity flake ice machines. And this is the area we assemble all the tube ice machines. This is the 5 ton per day, 1 ton per day air cooled. And that is a 3 ton per day. This is a 5 ton per day. And this is another 3 ton per day capacity tube ice machine. You can see the manufacturing process of my tube ice machines. And this is the area we make the tube ice generators. This big ice generator is for 30 ton per day capacity tube ice machine. $10 ton per day. And this is the area we put all the materials for making tube ice generators, like the shells, ice cutting device, and the steel frame, the tubes, stainless steel tubes for making tube ice machines. And this is the area we put all the components, like the compressor, condenser, liquid receiver, accumulator, water cooling tower, pumps, refrigerant, everything. All the components. We move it here and then we do the assembly. So this is all I want to show about my factory in May 2024. We are your reliable supplier for flake ice machines and tube ice machines.